Good morning to all my well wishers, especially to all my students, those who are under education in various degree colleges, universities, and schools of Jammu and Kashmir. My name is Jagdish Kumar, posted as teacher in Government UPS Koti, Cluster Kabdi, Zone Pator, District Ramban, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. My residential village is village Duthar, which is the last corner of Tehsil and District Ramban. Today, I want to tell you the meaning of proverb. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush is a well-known saying. It is far better to have one thing in possession than promises or expectations of having two things in future. We should neither cry for the moon nor build castles in the air. We should be always practical. It is useless to believe in promises that may not come true. Thank you. Jai Hind. Be happy.